O-Level A Math. Trigonometric graph.
Okay, so this graph is continuous from negative infinity to positive infinity. So I just need to restrict them into an interval of 0 to 2 pi. So now you will see the graph looks something like that. Okay, so now amplitude is 1. So if I let A changes, you can see that the graph will actually get like that. If A is 3, you see from 1 plus 3, the highest point amplitude. From 1, you go down 3 units, the lowest point is -2. Okay? Then the C value is the axis of curve. C will actually move the curve up and down, right? As I adjust the C, you see the curve can go up and down. Okay? Then when A is positive, this is the standard cosine graph that we always see. But if A is negative, you realize that it will be the other way around. Can you see that? Now A is -3 now, you see? When A is -3, the shape of the curve is actually in the other position. Do take note about that. Alright. Then how about the meaning of B? B stands for the calculations of the period. Let me adjust the scale. X-axis, distance in terms of pi over 2. Alright, see pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2. So one cycle is, when B is 1, there will be one cycle. If B is 2, you see, I can draw more cycles coming up. The definition of B is actually to tell you the number of cycles you need to draw in the interval from 0 to 2 pi. So if B is 3, I will draw 3 cycles. If B is half, 0.5, I will draw half a cycle. B cannot be negative, right? If B is negative, then that will be out of the syllabus within the O-level syllabus. B can be negative when we go to A-level, tertiary education, then we talk about B. So for O-level, within what you need to know now is that B is actually a number that we can use to find the period here. So for our case, you will see that actually the meaning of when you have decided that the axis of curve is